Hello everybody! Wow, that was cringy. So I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this monkey. So to start off with, I'm going to start by drawing a oval shape for the head and make sure it's quite fat and round. I've left a little gap at the top and I'm adding some little hairs. And it looks cute. And then I'm doing this kind of really flat U shape, and then I'm gonna kind of join the two ends together in the oval shape, like kind of following the same line as the head. I'm doing two really big circles in this space, and these are the eyes. I did them really big because it's really cute. I've done a tiny oval shape between the eyes for the nose and a little mouth, and then for the ears I've done them quite low on the head and quite small, so I'm drawing the ears and then a small shape inside the ears, and then I'm adding one big circle and one little circle in each eye. For the body, I started by drawing the arm. I just did two little arm shapes, and then I had the monkey holding a banana, so I drew a monkey. I drew a banana between its arms. Then on each side of the arms I drew these oval shapes, and those are the feet, and then I connected it to the arms with like the body. I also added like the belly shape. I also added two kind of like ovals in the feet too, and then I added its tail, which is quite a big tail, or swirly tail. I've added grass on each side. I feel like he's just sitting down, chilling on the grass. And I forgot to draw the eyebrows, so don't forget to draw them. Now that we've finished drawing, I've got myself a black fine liner. Just make sure you use a black pen if you don't have a fine liner. And I've started by outlining one of the eyes. So I'm going to outline over the pencil lines we drew, and then I'm using a black Sharpie and I'm going to colour in the eye, but make sure you leave the circles that we drew white because those are the highlights. Pause this video now and go and black line over all the pencil lines that we drew, and then get yourself a rubber and rub out any of the pencil lines that are still showing through the fine liner. I've got myself my light brown pro marker and I'm colouring in the kind of fur of the monkey, so I'm not colouring in the kind of face area. If you don't have a pro marker, it's completely fine, just use like colouring pencils or felt tips, and you don't have to choose the same colours that I did. I then got my pink Sharpie and I coloured in the nose, and then I got my yellow Sharpie and I coloured in the banana. Using my pink Sharpie, I coloured in the insides of the ears, the insides of the feet, and also the belly. I got a green Sharpie and I'm colouring in the grass. Okay, so now it's time for shading. So So I got a dark brown Sharpie and I'm shading on the left side of the monkey's head. So over all the brown bits that we coloured, you want to shade on the left side. I then got my dark pink Sharpie and did exactly the same but on the pink bits. I got my grey Sharpie and I'm shading on the white bits of the face. I took a dark green Sharpie to shade the grass. And finally I got a light orange Sharpie and I shaded the banana. To add highlights, I got myself a white pen and I added highlights on the right side of the face. I then added highlights on the rest of the body. You can put highlights wherever you want, just make sure it's on the opposite side that you shaded. And here's the completed monkey. Well done for getting through this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!